What is sunny?
Hello, good morning.
Sunny. The
Good
ugly
morning, Uma. How are you? Good morning, Pratyay.
player in
Good
the
morning, Sayali, Ahan, Radhya. Good morning.
morning, ma'am. Morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, Agrima. Good morning, Athar.
Morning, ma'am.
How are you, Sayali?
I'm fine, thank you, ma'am. Or
That's
ugly.
great.
Great.
Morning, Radhya. How are you?
How did? How about you, ma'am?
I am fine, thank you. I am fine.
How are you, ma'am?
I am fine, thank you, Ahan. Ahan, are you studying something?
Yes, ma'am.
What are you studying?
Ugly duckling story.
You're studying Ugly Duckling story. That's great. Okay, children. So, as you all know, I need to know the status of your homework. How many of you have completed the stories, the ones which were left yesterday? Have you completed the stories?
Yes, ma'am.
Sayali, have you completed the story?
I have a story.
You have completed half story. Okay, very nice. And what about you? You've completed, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Aradhya, have you started cursive writing work? The one which was pending? Very good. Agrima? Agrima?
Ma'am, in the cursive
Have you
writing,
completed the work in homework notebook or still it is in classwork notebook?
ma'am, my cursive writing book is done.
Sorry, Ahan, I cannot hear. But what are you saying?
Ma'am, I am there.
Huh, but you are saying something. I cannot hear properly. Just let me know what are you saying. Yes.
Ma'am, my book is done. English writing.
Okay, your work is done. Okay, good. Harsh,
Ma'am, I also done.
Harsh,
Yes, ma'am.
are you revising the stories?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Priyal, what about you? Priyal, sit down at one place, beta. Good morning, Athar.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Tell what happened.
Can I do English class?
Beta, I cannot hear you properly. I guess there is some network issue. Your voice is not clear.
Ma'am, I doing English work.
So you have done your English work.
Yes, done.
Agrima, bache, your voice is not clear. Prakash,
Ma'am, I do again English work.
what English work? Have you done your English work in homework notebook or still it is in classwork?
The peer
Agrima, message me. Your voice is. Huh?
That's one notebook. Names.
So complete it in homework notebook or else stick the pages, okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, Prakash, what are you doing?
Domestic animals.
Prakash, you're not audible. Athar,
Cow, cat, dog. What was
Athar, do you have connectivity issue?
the story the bear and her friends?
Athar, I request all of you, please ask your mama and papa to download Google Meet. What to download? Google Meet. Yeah, Meet. Are you all listening?
Ma'am, please repeat.
I am asking that I am just requesting you people to ask your parents to download Google Meet, okay? Because I guess on Zoom some network issue is coming. So from tomorrow we'll do class on Google Meet. Let's do a trial session. Let's see how much it is working. Okay? Let's work on that. If it's working properly, then only we'll continue with that. Otherwise, again we'll come back to Zoom. Understood?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, so please ask your parents to download Google Meet. That is helpful.
I have already downloaded.
If you have already downloaded, that's great. If you haven't downloaded yet, please download it.
Already download.
Very good, very good.
Already download.
Say already downloaded, ma'am.
Already download, ma'am.
Downloaded. Okay, now listen to me. I have muted everyone for a minute. First, listen to me. At first, for today and tomorrow, we are going to revise whichever content we have learned till date. Like, let's suppose in English we have learned vocabulary words of different sounds, and we have done naming words and special name. Do you all remember that? Yes or no? Just raise your hands if you remember. Raise your hands if you remember. Very good, very good. So I can see many of you raising hands. So it's just that. What, Harsh? I am saying that in English we have learned till date the vocabulary words of different sounds, and we have prepared the chapter naming words and special name. Do you all remember that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Okay. So now listen to me. Now if you people can see your stationery and all your notebooks and books. So there are two books for English. One is English literature and other one is English language. Have you seen that book? Have you all seen that book? Do you have English literature book? English literature. This is language, Ahan. Literature I'm talking about. This is language book. The other one.
And this?
Yeah. This. Show, yeah, exactly. English Rose Reader. Just give me a minute, 1 minute.
And ma'am, this cursive writing.
Okay. Not this. Just all of you look at a hand. See what book he's showing. He's showing English Rose Reader. If you all can see. Sayali, that is cursive writing. Bache, I am talking about English literature book. Aradhya, where is your book? Priya. Very good, Athar. Very good. Prakash, where is your book? Pratyay, yours? Raghav, bring your book. Yeah, Harsh. Very nice. Very nice. Quickly, all of you bring your English books. English literature.
मैम प्लीज मैम मेरे पास इंग्लिश लिटरेचर है
Starting in Hindi.
This one.
Yeah. That one only. Yes. Now, children, if you can see If you can see, open lesson number 1.
Ma'am,
Open lesson 1.
ma'am, which,
Yeah. Yeah.
which page, ma'am,
Lesson number 1.
ma'am, कौन सा page
Just
number,
telling. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. I'm telling you.
page number,
I'm just telling you.
और बाहर से लेके चला लें मार्केट से
ma'am, please be mine. Yes, straight. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am,
See, what I want to tell you is, in this lesson number 1 is about the brownie bear and the golden cat. There's a story, the brownie bear and the golden cat. So from Monday onwards, listen to me. From Monday onwards, you will sit along with your literature books. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting it? Yes or no?
Ma'am, please.
Yeah. Yes, Sayali. This is the story. But right now, no need to open the story. Just understand. From Monday, you have to sit with this book. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
मंडे से आपको क्लास में यही बुक लेनी है. यू हैव टू कीप दिस बुक ओनली विद यू. ओके?
Okay, ma'am.
क्लोज द बुक फॉर नाउ. क्लोज द बुक फॉर नाउ बच्चे.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, which page number?
सॉरी, what are you saying?
Ma'am, which page number?
Sayali,
Yes, ma'am.
don't
Yes,
read
ma'am.
right now. I'll let you know the page number, Ahan. Don't worry. My point of view is that please keep your English literature book with you on Monday when we are going to start with the chapter. Okay? Is that okay?
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Have you all understood that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now listen, second thing. The one notebook you have now, that copy in which you have written already those words, those vocabulary words. Do you remember that notebook? Your classwork notebook. Yes or no?
Yes.
All of you remember?
Yes.
Priyal, Athan, Raghav, Prakarsh, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Agrima.
Ma'am, फिर कॉपी मारने फिर कॉपी है
Yeah, your class.
मैम कैबरेली वाली कौन सी कॉपी है हाँ मंडे से सिलाने वाली और
Who is talking in Hindi? First, please tell me. Who is talking in Hindi?
मंडे अथर
Why are you talking in Hindi? Try to speak in English.
मैम मुझे मंडे को लाना है
From Monday onwards. Monday से Tuesday को भी, Wednesday को भी, Thursday को भी, from all the days you have to keep your book and your favorite book along with you. Understood?
ओके मैम
Yeah.
कैबरेली वाली कौन सी बुक
Sorry?
मैम कैबरेली वाली कौन सी कॉपी
Better classwork notebook in which you have written vocabulary words. Don't you remember? Athar, Agrima, sit properly. Agrima, sit properly. Okay, children, one thing. So that means from Monday onwards, Yeah, ma'am, you're sounding like a robot. Ma'am, you put on yeah.
Have you shared the link with Piyush? Have you shared the link with Piyush? You have shared?
He's there. He's there. Okay, children. So two things are important. One thing that you have to keep your English literature book with you from Monday onwards, and second thing you have to keep your English classwork copy with you at that very moment. When I'll ask you, you should have those books with you and that notebook also. Secondly, tomorrow is what? Which day? Who's going to tell me? Tomorrow is which day? And
Yes, ma'am. Monday. Friday.
was Monday. Okay. Tomorrow is Friday. That means day after tomorrow on Saturday, I will send you one small passage, and related to that passage, I will send you little bit of questions. You have to solve that worksheet in your homework notebook. Are you all getting?
Yes, ma'am.
All getting?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Children, one thing I want to tell you is when I am teaching something, like if I am narrating a story or I am telling you something to write no page numbers are required right now. I am just telling you few important things. If I am teaching you something, or I am narrating a story, or I am making you write something in your notebook, at that very moment, just stay muted. And when I ask you, then only unmute yourself. Else you stay unmute. अगर ऐसे we will not talk, no, so the class will become boring. If I am teaching something, I am narrating a story, I am telling you something related to the story, or anything general which I am teaching you related to English, at that time you should stay quiet and you should listen to me. If you have doubt, then raise a hand, or maybe you unmute yourself and say, excuse me, I have a doubt, please let me know. But then if I am not teaching, like right now I'm not teaching anything related to the course, I am just discussing about the things. So you can stay muted and unmuted and you can talk to me, because one way communication will not be helpful unless or until you will not tell कि ये समझ में आया या ये नहीं आया. You will not let me know that. How will I help you? Do you have any queries, any doubts? Please ask me if you have any doubt. And please start studying, because from next week, every Saturday you will be having tests, either of English or Hindi or Maths. 3 weeks, 3 tests. So be ready, okay? We'll let you know how we are going to. We'll let you know maybe 4 or 5 days, but then make sure that you study well. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Acha, okay. Now please tell me, what are the preparations going on for fancy dress?
Bye.
Yeah, Radhya.
My preparation very good.
Who's saying preparation very? Agrima, you are telling.
Ma'am, Priya.
Real preparations are going very well.
Yes, ma'am.
So what are you wearing for that? Have you decided what are you wearing in fancy dress competition?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first I would like to ask from Real, what are you wearing? You're wearing suit. Okay, very nice, very good. What about Aradhya? Aradhya, what about you?
Yes, ma'am.
What are you wearing? What are you planning to become on the fancy dress show? Ahan, voice is cracking.
I am Ahan. Traffic light.
Okay, very good, Ahan, very good. Aradhya, what about you? Very good, very good. Pratyay, what are you becoming? Pratyay,
Yes, ma'am.
have you decided what are you becoming?
Joker.
Joker, okay, very good. Raghav, what about you? Raghav,
Yes, ma'am.
what have you decided?
Ma'am. What, ma'am?
Have you decided anything for fancy dress competition?
No, ma'am.
So decide fast. Okay. You decide. Prakash, Prakash,
Yes, ma'am.
decided something for fancy dress competition?
Star.
Star, wow. So you got a twinkle, very good. Agrima, what about you? Agrima,
Western dress.
what? Sorry?
Western dress.
Western outfit, okay, very good. Harsh, Harsh, what have you decided? What have you decided?
Ma'am, daughter.
Doctor, very good. Athar,
Ma'am.
what have you decided?
Ma'am.
Athar, what have you decided?
Ma'am. Ma'am. Tablet. Class work.
डॉक्टर करते हैं कुछ और थोड़ी होता है
What have you decided for fancy dress competition?
सच्चा ऊपर से व्हाइट कलर का वो पहने रहते हैं बस और
Harsh,
आधा लगता है
Harsh, mute. Harsh, mute. हाँ, Athar, tell. अथर फैंसी ड्रेस में आप क्या वेयर कर रहे हो? आपने डिसाइड नहीं किया? यू नॉट डिसाइडेड येट?
No.
ओके फाइन, डिसाइड टुडे, यू हैव टाइम. सयाली, what
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
becoming? What are you wearing?
And I'm wearing water drop.
You are going to wear what? Sorry?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Water drop.
Okay, just give me a minute, Sayali. Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes,
sir,
ma'am.
please.
Sorry for interruption. Yeah,
It's
ma'am. Athar is not. Athar is not able to talk to you while you are asking something or any question. He is feeling very shyness or anything. Please let him comfortable to ask you anything what you want about studying.
Okay, okay, okay. I'll talk to him on phone also. I'll ask the issue. I'll talk to him.
Yes.
Okay, children. So one thing is here that almost everybody has prepared well. You have thought your ideas. That's good. But plan it more and work on it. Yes, bache.
I'm wearing water drop.
You're going to become water drop. Very good. Very nice theme. Okay, children. So be ready with your ideas. Think more of more of creative ways. By chance, if you feel like you're not able to think or you're not able to plan out, just call me or Meha ma'am. We'll help you out with your idea. Let's suppose if you want to become doctor or maybe water drop or maybe scientist or anything like that. If you need any sort of help regarding the video recording, regarding the part of how to speak one or two lines, or how to tell that I am participating in so and so competition. If you feel any problem or you think like that we need to discuss it once with the ma'am, So you can call me also and you can call her also. We both will help you, okay? Is that okay? Okay. So see you all tomorrow. Bye for today. And take care.
Bye,
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye,